I mean, my hair's not that long. It's not gonna clog a vacuum, so I can relax. Oh, how cute.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hey y'all, welcome to today's vlog. It's only gonna be a one-day vlog today because basically I am getting my life together, or at least my office together. Probably not the whole house because I just don't have the energy. I am exhausted. We just got back from a trip maybe a few days ago, and you know how like you get back from a trip, you're feel rested, but you still got to get your life together. Well, me, I left, my office wasn't really a mess, but I came back and started working, so I got a lot of stuff to get together. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this office. This office is in shambles. I haven't unpacked my suitcase. What else? I filmed, I didn't clean up. So many things. So we're gonna go ahead and get this office together, clean together, and if I have time, I think I want to put together my purse case because I have collected a lot of Coach bags because I love Coach outlet go. I want to put that together as well, so I guess we'll see. But either way, this office needs to get together. Plus I have to prep for filming tomorrow and prep those for bleaching. I don't think I'm gonna bleach the knots here, but why is that knot here? Anyways, so I want y'all to just clean with me. If it's a weekday or weekend for you, please let's clean together because it's time for us to get our lives together. What was that? A net? This net is found me. Okay, I'm about to box. Let's go ahead and get our office together, and this is gonna take a minute. I know it is. What time is it? It's 4:50 right now, April 2nd, and I want to see if I can get this done quickly. I want to see if I can get this office cleaned up in 30 minutes. Let's see. So that would be, girl, that's not gonna happen. But you know, I'm poor, I have bad timing, so we'll see what I can do. I'm about to fall asleep. I just had some waffles, a lot of sugar, and I feel like that going to sleep. I don't know what's going on.
Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and me alone. Part of me that can't see this gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we tried to pretend. Now and again, we don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. Oh, I'm holding it in, cause I know in the end, we dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been, we could remember the night in Miami, first time you put your arms around me. I'm reminiscing, thinking about you isn't helping, thinking about you doesn't tell me. What could you do if I decide to face the truth? It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you, only think about wrong. Only hit me up when she's not wrong, and that's why I can't get caught up. We could have been, try to pretend. Now and again, we don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. I'm holding it in, cause I know in the end, dream about, I think about what we could have been. 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 We could have what we could have been, what we should have been. If I wasn't with somebody, if we got it hot, it was the point of trying. I ain't just a friend, I wasn't one of lying, trying to sell a story, ain't nobody buying, ain't nobody could be about eyes.
You don't know what you're doing, so don't even So my vacuum's broken. I'm happy I swept the floor and I got a little bit of vacuuming up, but the little spinning wheel on my vacuum is like not spinning. So then it started smelling like it smells like it's burnt in here. It always smells burnt in here. I'm burning hair. Like what? So I guess I'm gonna put that up and I'm gonna put together my Amazon package thing. The room is done mostly. I just need to put up the purse stand and that's it. But it looks great in here. It smells good besides the smell of burning hair. It looks good. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is the room. That's where I put my wigs and stuff. So I just need to put my stand right here and that'll be it. But this vacuum lasted 3 days. I need to get a vacuum for hair because because of my office, there's a lot of hair on my floor, like a lot. So I sweep first every single time. I always sweep to get like the hair up first, but it's still not enough because I do 2 wigs a week. So there's always hair on my floor, plus my own hair. So, I mean, my hair is not that long. It's not gonna clog a vacuum, so I can relax. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna grab my package. I'll put that together in the living room. Hopefully it's simple. And then I can put up my purses. And I have, how many purses do I have? It's not that many. I think it's like 13. Those are my bags. Not that many at all. I think they have 1 Michael Kors in my room. And like, so it's 1, 2, 13. 13 bags that I need to put on my little case. And we're gonna get that together. We'll put it up and I'll be done with this office for now. I do want to get a mirror in here. What do y'all think? Like right there behind the door. My shoes are back there. I think I'm gonna end up putting my shoes on this case if it's not too full. So it's coming along. And what time is it? 6:19. Girl. Okay, let's go get the package. Here it is. So it's from Amazon. I think I spent like $70 something. So I pray that it's super easy to put together because I don't even have the patience today. Girl, my acid reflux is acid refluxing. Let's do it.
So far, what we have is
Just to let us be. Cause I treasure the way you calm me down. How you set me free when I thought it was impossible. Cause I followed the focus before. But you different, you good to the bone. It compels me to bear you my soul. I wanna be the one. 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 Yeah. No voice, no voice. Just to let us speak. Cause I treasure the way you calm. How you set me free when I thought it was impossible. Cause I followed the focus before. But you're different, you're good to the bone. It compels me to bear my soul. I wanna be the one. 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 Yeah. No voice, no voice. Just to let us speak. Cause I treasure the way you calm. How you set me free when I thought it was impossible. Cause I followed the focus before.
No, I think you should put it right here because
Yeah.
you don't really need anything on the side like that.
Yeah. Oh, how cute. So this is the end of this Sunday reset vlog. I am in love with the final results of everything. Like the office, it's not done. We've been here for years and I still haven't finished this office, but the stuff that I've gotten, I love how it looks. I love the ambiance. It feels so relaxing in here, and I may have to get another one of these for more of my shoes and stuff like that. Y'all tell me what you think. This is from Amazon and I'll leave a link for it down below. I also will leave a link for all the other stuff I got in my office because I think I got questions about this credenza, which I got from, I think it was West Elm. Again, I'll leave links for most of the stuff that you saw in this office down below. I also will leave it for this. I love this shelving. Love, 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 love the shelving. I'm probably gonna buy a second one. Maybe. Thank y'all so much for watching. I love you all and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Somebody tell me